Read the text aloud to the children while they listen and read it silently along with you. I'm going to read it out for you. Love to work. We little children are busy. Sure, there is work for all. Planting the corn and potatoes, helping to scatter the seeds, feeding the hens and the chickens, cleaning the garden from weeds, driving the cows to the pasture. We little children are busy. Sure, there is work for all. Work makes us cheerful and happy, makes us both active and strong. Play we enjoy all the better when we have bored so long. Gladly we help our kind parents.